Good morning, sir.
Uh, Quickly recall, in short, write all the properties in short language, need not be in detail, come on, a quick glance, all of you, a quick glance at properties of determinants, jaldi, I repeat, a quick glance at properties of determinants, all of you, a quick glance at properties of determinants. What's the first one?
Can be taken from any row or any column.
Any row or any column. Any row or any column. Entries are entries of a row column are zeros that equal to 0. Write in short language. Don't make big sentences. Jaldi. All properties should be covered. All of you first. A quick recall. All properties of determinants that have been discussed so far. I'm waiting. First. Third one, man. Third one, man. LTM, UTM, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix. What is that equal to? Product of, what is that equal to? What is that equal to? Product
Product of diagonal entries.
Product of dia entries. First, what are the other cases when det is zero? Two rows or columns identical. Two rows or two columns identical. Then what happens to determine? Det equal to zero. Next, det
Zero.
equal to det of A transpose. Next, chalo.
Cyclic order. Cyclic order.
Before cyclic order, that changes sign. When will that change a sign? When rows or columns are interchanged. Don't write huge sentences in short language, in crypto language. First, और कुछ cyclic order. Cyclic order that remains same. Chalo, eighth one. Cyclic order that remains the same. Next, और कुछ
Det of A B equal to det of A into det of.
pardon me.
Det of A B is equal to det of A into det of.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Det A B equal to det A into det B. And
A is a square matrix, then data equal to 0 for singular matrix, data not equal to 0 for non-singular matrix.
det A 0 singular not equal to 0 non-singular. And finally, I think those men orthogonal matrix. What is that equal to? Plus or minus 1. Idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix 0 or 1. Correct? And finally, even for involutory matrix also plus or minus 1, no?
Yes, sir.
I think I covered all the properties. Please write them all properties in short form while preparing for weekend exam. Just 2-minute glance. 2-minute glance will cover all the properties. Finished, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Next. I think we covered all of them, or anything, any leftovers?
No, sir. What are covered?
Over? Huh?
We took till here.
Pardon me.
Sir, we took till here. Completed. All portion are covered, sir.
You have taught till here, sir. You mean to say?
Huh?
You mean to say you have taught up to here, up to 10th property?
We covered. No, what all I discussed, they are there on the board now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So property number 11 we have discussed now.
Okay.
Yeah, look here. This is what I was telling you yesterday. अब से जो भी प्रॉपर्टी आएगा, अब से जो भी प्रॉपर्टी आएगा, all these properties we use in problems left, right, and center. Left, right, center, front, back. We use these properties quite often in problems. Look here. I was telling you yesterday, taking an element common from a row or a column, taking an element common from a row or a column is an attribute of a determinant. Taking an element common from a row or a column is an attribute of a determinant. Remember, this cannot happen. This cannot be done. This is not possible in case of a matrix. What am I trying to say? Determinant. I need full board, man. Can I clear this off?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Look here. Determinant lambda A, lambda B, lambda C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. हम किस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं? एक लैम्डा कॉमन, कहां से कॉमन? फर्स्ट रो से. लैम्डा कॉमन, व्हाट हैव आई लेफ्ट ओवर? A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. This I pulled out from row 1. Is this clear? Proof is obvious, man. Proof is obvious, man. Pick up left hand side. Evaluating data using R1. Using R1 we obtain. Tell me what does it gives you? Tell me what does it gives you? Isn't it obvious? बोलो. Lambda A into क्या आएगा मन? क्या आएगा मन? Lambda A. Delete row. Delete
UZ minus YR.
UZ minus RY. Second one प्लस आएगा माइनस आएगा, प्लस आएगा माइनस आएगा, माइनस लैम्डा बी. डिलीट द रो, डिलीट द कॉलम, क्या देगा? PZ RX. नेक्स्ट प्लस लैम्डा C इंटू डिलीट द रो, डिलीट द कॉलम, क्या देगा? PY minus XQ. Look at all the three. तीनों में से क्या कॉमन?
Lambda common.
From all the three terms, what can be taken common? Lambda. So it is lambda into A into QZ minus RY minus B into PZ minus RX plus C into PY minus XQ. Is this equal to lambda times determinant A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z?
Yes.
Which is your इसके चार applications. I'm writing second application. Look at this. Determinant alpha 1A Come on, give me the answer. बच्चे लोग आंसर बच्चे लोग आंसर बच्चे लोग आंसर answer first one that is second one here. I'm waiting, man. Tell the answer. Answer. What can you take common?
Alpha 1, column 1.
First column, beta 1, second column, gamma 1, third column. Determinant क्या देगा?
Second column there is beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, sir.
Where is beta 1, beta 2, beta 3?
Second column and third column, gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3.
Oh, I wrote wrong. If they are different, you cannot take common. I wrote wrong. APX, BQY, CRZ. What's the answer? Third one. What's the answer? Third one, jaldi.
K into that of it.
What will be KA? Hello, what will be KA? If A is A1, A2, A3. Hello, if matrix A is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Tell me what is determinant KA? Waiting for an answer, man. Answer below.
K cube A.
This will be K. This is matrix A. What will be matrix KA? You will multiply every entry by K. So क्या कर सकते हो? First row से K common, second row से K common, third row से K common. So what does it gives you?
K into AA.
Times
A.
Fourth one.
Alpha power n.
Fourth
Let
one. Alpha power n. Exam applications. Exam applications. A and B are of order 2 cross 2. Det A 3. Det B -4. Det of phi AB is equal to dash. One more. A and B are of order 4 cross 4. Det A 2. det B minus 1, det of, come on, can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, is the first is
Pardon me.
is the first one minus 300?
Minus 300, sir. First one.
I should check. Ah, order 2 cross 2. So can you pull 5 outside directly? No. What's the order? 2 and 2. Therefore, what will come out? 5 square into det AB. Why 5 square? Because A and B order 2 cross 2. 5 square is 25. Bachalo, what is det AB? Det A into det B. 25 into. What is det A value man? Det B value man minus 4. 100. Is it minus 300? That's what you got.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo next one. Chalo
Minus
next one.
162.
Minus 160.
So chalo done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer next one.
Minus 162.
Minus 162.
Minus 160.
Minus 162.
What you will do? What you will do man? What is det of 3AB? 3 power 4. Det of AB. 3 power 4 is 81. What is det of AB bachalo? Det A into det B. 81 into det A value man 2. Det B minus 1. Determinant. Just because, hello, just because you know multiplication, just because you know multiplication, just because school में multiplication आता, don't solve this problem by 15 into 40 minus 48. Please don't do this.
I common we can take.
Who is that man? Please mute yourself. Finished?
First one 0, sir.
What can you take common from first row?
5.
5.
5 common from first row. Then
2.
2 common from second row. Then
2.
2.
another 2 common from third row. What am I left over? 3, 4, 5. Am I correct? 1. Next,
3, 4, 5.
what is data value? What is data value? 0. Reason? Since R1. What does the symbol stands for? Identical or equal. R1 identical to R2. That is R1 next one.
Sir, R1 is
R3, sir.
R1 to R3, sir.
Spari. What you will do, man? Look at this 2, 3, 7. I don't like fractions. I want those fractions to get lost. I want those fractions to get lost. What should I do? What is 2, 3, 7 ka LCM? 2, 3, 7 ka LCM is how much, man?
20.
How much, man? 42. Therefore, I should not write this statement. Twenty-one, 14, 30, 7, 3, 2. Hello. From first column, sorry, from first row, all of you, from first row, what you will take common? Tell me, man. From first row, what you will take common? What you will take common first row? First
1
row,
by 42.
first row, first row. 1 by 42 you take common. कहाँ से लिया मैं? R1 से. Tell me what remains. Tell me what remains. 2 goes 21 times. 3 goes 14 times. 7 goes 6 times.
0.
21, 14, 30. 7, 3, 2. What is this? Reason. R1 identical to
R2.
R2. For
Zero, sir.
बच्चों लोग आंसर वन,
Zero, sir.
आंसर वन 0. How do you write this one?
log x by log,
फर्स्ट रो का 1,
log x by log x.
फर्स्ट रो का 1. How do you write? Log x base x. सेकेंड रो का 1, log y base y. थर्ड रो का 1, बोलो log z base z. What's the reason? Log a base b is equal to what one?
Log A by log B.
So what is your det equal to? First row में से what can you take, or how do you write first row? Log x by log x. Second row, log y by log x. Third row, log z by log x. Next, log x by log y. Next, log y by log y. Last wala, log z by log y. Next one man, log x by log z. Next wala man, log y by log z. Last wala man, log z by log z. So what you will take common from first row? Second row, third row. Tell me what is your first row? This is R3. First Roman, log x, log y, log z. Second row, log x, log y, log z. Third row, log x, log y, log z. Why? Since R1 identical to R2 identical to R3. Though 2 rows identical enough, here 3 rows are identical. So happy.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
A small this one. Look here. I think you should know this from your school. What will be f of 1?
1 square plus 2 into 1
1
minus
square
7.
plus 2
plus
minus
2
1.
into 1 minus 7.
minus 4.
Sometimes you will get f of x is equal to 20, 20. What will be f of 1? There is no x. F of 2. F of 2, f of minus 2. F of 100. What are such functions called? Hello? Constant function. Please note this. I need this idea in the next problem. Write this one. A previous JEE mains question, advanced question asked in JEE exam. I think थोड़ा order is ऊपर नीचे. One, two X, three X. चलो. Previous JEE advanced question and mains question. First one. Previous JEE mains advanced question. चलो. बच्चे लोग मैं आइडिया दूं.
Sir.
Look at second row. What can be taken common? Second row. Open your eyes.
X.
Open your eyes.
X.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Keep your eyes wide open. Second row से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? बोलो जी. X. थर्ड रो में से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? X and X minus 1. There is one more element common. कहाँ से? There is one more element common. कहाँ से? थर्ड कॉलम से. थर्ड कॉलम से. थर्ड कॉलम
Side
से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? X plus 1. Come on. F of X is equal to. बोलो मन. X common from second row. X into X minus 1 common from third row. X plus 1 common from third column. चलो आंसर आ गया. If you close your eyes also, now you will get the answer. आंख बंद करे तो भी आंसर दिखेगा. चलो
निकाल दिया.
आंख बंद रखे तो भी आंसर मिलेगा. चलो
Zero.
Yes, sir. 0.
आंसर मन. बच्चे लोग. अरे आई गेव सो मच हिंट मैन. अब तो भी आंसर बोलना. क्या है यार? You should not disappoint your teacher man.
Sir, 0.
इतना बड़ा हिंट दे दिया. आंसर बोल देना. आंसर 0 करेक्ट है. I want at least 10, 15, 20% from the class to get the answer. चलो. क्या जी? 15-20 बच्चों को आंसर आना. अब तक बोल देना. 1 x plus 1 चला गया. x चला गया. 2 x minus 1 x plus 1 चला गया. x चला गया. बोलो. 3 x minus 1 gone. X minus 2 x minus 1 gone. X plus 1. You can apply row column operations, but still I did not teach them. X into or x square into x square minus 1 into, expand this, what will I get? 1 into, bolo ji, minus of x minus 2, multiply these two, क्या देगा? Multiply these two, क्या देगा? बोलो जी, 2x plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 into.
Sir, if we expand along second column, it will be easy now.
अब मैं कर दिया ना.
Okay, sir.
2x minus 4 minus 3x plus 3. अब सिंप्लीफाई करो, 0 आता है इन्हें.
Sir, last term x plus 1.
Sir, last term minus 1.
I made a mistake. It won't be x plus 1, no, it will be 1 only. Now it is easy one. X square into x square minus 1. 1 into x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus x into 2 minus 3 plus 1 into 2x minus 4 minus 3x plus 3. Simplify करो, आसानी से ना है. Does it give you 0? बच्चे लोग, x square into x square minus 1, x gone, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, so plus x, इधर क्या देगा? Minus x minus 1. Are you getting 0? Are you getting 0?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which will be 0. Implies f of x क्या आया? 0 आया. So what is f of these bees? F of these bees.
0.
Number 11 है, 12 है. बच्चे लोग, प्रॉपर्टी नंबर. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Now, pay attention. Property number 12 है, 13 है.
12, sir.
Look here. Pay attention. This statement was given in JEE Advanced Exam 2017 JEE Advanced Exam, and that was deleted because he gave a wrong statement. This was asked in JEE Advanced Exam. Problem को delete कर दिया. Why he had to delete it? because he made a wrong statement. Advanced exam mein, you were telling the other day, sir, fourth option they gave wrong. I think you said 24 they gave. One trace problem. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One trace problem.
Yes,
You
sir.
said problem is wrong. You
Remember,
were
sir.
very agitated. Everybody were complaining. JEE advanced exam बोले तो India में supposedly toughest exam in India. Civil services exam से भी, NEET exam से भी, the most toughest exam in India is JEE advanced exam. You know what's the beauty of JEE exam? You know what is the topmost university in the world? Which is number one university in the world. Number
MIT.
one in
No,
the
no, sir.
university in the world.
Which, sir?
No, sir.
MIT. It is called MIT.
Massachusetts
Technology.
Institute of Technology.
It is called MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Next comes Purdue University. Purdue is also in US. World's third best university. It's in UK. It's called Yale. University of Yale. A student wrote MIT exam. It came recently
Yes, sir.
on internet. A student wrote MIT exam, and he said, and he also wrote advanced exam last year, and he said advanced exam is the toughest. MIT exam was easy. That's
Yes,
the
sir.
importance of what you call advanced exam, supposedly world's toughest exam. Whose exam maybe he gave the statement and he was caught naked. He was caught blindfolded. He was caught blindfolded, and that problem was deleted because he made an error. What is that error?
We have to find that.
Pardon me. It came in advanced exam. The statement he made, he said, determinant of an skew symmetric matrix is 0. This was asked in IIT. Why? Because A is equal to Is this a skew symmetric matrix? Yes. What's the order? 2 cross 2. How do you identify a skew symmetric matrix? How do you identify
Diagonal 0.
skew symmetric matrix? In the first go, as soon as you stare, as soon as you look at a matrix, how do you identify a skew symmetric matrix? Diagonal entries are zeros. A12 is equal to minus A12 is an, what is this? What is this?
Symmetric matrix.
Symmetric matrix of order. What's the order mean? What's the order mean? 2 cross 2. What is delta A? What is delta A? 0 minus of minus 9. Now can you see why statement given in JEE advanced exam was wrong? I gave an example. What's the correct statement? Correct statement.
Det of an skew symmetric matrix is not equal to 0.
No. Det of an skew symmetric matrix of odd order is 0. He should say det of an SSM of this word he missed. Odd order is always 0. This is how he should have given the question. This is where he was caught napping. He was literally caught napping. Problem was deleted. This is how the statement should be. Look at the reason. Look at the reason. What's a skew symmetric matrix? What's a skew symmetric matrix? A is an SSM. Skew symmetric matrix definition man. Skew symmetric matrix definition man. A is equal to minus A transpose. Apply determinant on both sides. What is det A equal to? Det of minus A transpose. How do I write this? Det A equal to det of minus 1 into A transpose. Now, since det of Ka is equals to K power n into det A, right hand side, identify, right hand side, what is K value bachalog? What is K value bachalog? What is K value bachalog? Minus 1. So left hand side, det A. Right hand side, minus 1. Power क्या आएगा? N. Det of A transpose. A matrix and its transpose will always have same debts. And what is N? Since N is odd and since det A equal to det of A transpose, what is left hand side? Det A. Right hand side, N is odd or even? N is odd or even? N is odd or even? N is odd. Therefore, what is minus 1 whole power odd number? Minus 1 into det of A transpose is det A is equal to det A is equal to minus det A. Bring it here. 2 times det A is 0. Bolo. Det A is equal to 0. Hence the statement. Hence the look at an example. Determinant. Bolo ji. 0, 21, minus 47, minus 21, 0, 53, 47, minus 53, 0. What is data value, man? What is data value? What is that value?
Zero.
Zero. Come on, copy this. Copy the proof.
about 0.
Finished.
Yes, sir.
What are the answers for those two questions?
Sir, both are 0, sir.
Second one,
0.
why? Skew symmetric matrix of odd order. So
Sum of
that
odd
is equal to
order.
0. Skew symmetric matrix of odd order. So that is equal to 0. Please let me know once you are done. Please let me know once you are done.
Done, sir.
Done, man.
1 minute.
Yeah, waiting.
Done, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you can clear.
At what time is your chemistry class?
11.
11, sir.
Yeah. I'll just explain next one. Notes, details and all, I'll give you tomorrow. Another important Jamdar property. Jamdar property. Once again, this does not happen in matrices. This property is attributed only to determinants. It does not happen for matrices. What am I trying to say? Determinant B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. How are the entries of first row? How are the entries of first row? Sum of two elements. इसे मैं दो determinants में काट सकता हूँ. What is determinant 1? A1, A3, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 plus second determinant 1 A2, A4, A6, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Look here, एक मैट्रिक्स है A1 plus A2, A3 plus A4, A5 plus A6, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Can you split this into sum of two matrices like this? No. When you add A1 plus A2, no problem. A3 plus A4, no problem. A5 plus A6, no problem. But here it will become 2B1, 2B2, 2B3, 2B4, 2B5, 2B6. So, is this a splitting property seen in matrices? No. Seen in determinants? Yes. How this is justified? How do you expand first row? How do you expand? Bolo. A1 plus A2 into, tell me man, B2, B6 minus B3, B5. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what's the first entry? A1 into this. Look here. What's the first entry here? A1 into, bolo, B2, B6 minus B3, B5. We have same A1 into these two. Look at the first entry here. First entry here. A2 into B2, B6 minus B3, B5. Can you see those entries here? Yes. So determinants can be split. Matrices cannot. Right to left. Look here. Right to left also. Hello. Left to right. Splitting. Left to right. Splitting. Right to left. Addition. Right to left. Addition. Can you add two determinants? Yes. Those two rows that are fixed. Which two rows are fixed? Second row, third row, second row, third row, fixed. Second row, third row, fixed. Those two rows elements are varying. Add them. So left to right, right to left. Anyhow, I'll explain this once again and give the notes tomorrow. Thank you.